Choosing the right pump for dosing a tiny house septic system directly affects reliability and energy use. For low-head, low-flow septic dosing, we recommend focusing on peristaltic and diaphragm pumps because they provide precise metering at low flow rates and tolerate solids better than many centrifugal options. Peristaltic pumps move fluid by compressing a flexible tube, which limits exposure of pump internals to effluent and makes maintenance as simple as replacing tubing on a regular schedule. Diaphragm pumps use a flexible membrane to displace fluid and are available in designs with easily replaceable diaphragms and limited contact between moving parts and waste, which reduces wear. When sizing, prioritize flow per dose in gallons per cycle and ensure the pump can deliver that volume against the actual head to the drain field or dosing chamber, including any vertical lift and friction losses in small tubing runs. Choose models with adjustable stroke length or speed so you can fine-tune dose volume rather than using oversized pumps that short cycle and waste energy. Install a manual bypass or hand priming option so you can maintain service during power outages or when troubleshooting. Finally, plan for spare consumables at installation time, such as replacement tubing or diaphragms, and use straightforward isolation valves so those parts can be swapped without removing the pump. 3 common mistakes I see are oversizing pumps, ignoring solids handling, and failing to plan for emergency manual operation. Oversizing wastes energy and causes short cycling, which increases wear. Select a pump that matches your calculated dose volume and duty cycle, and use a timer or controller to avoid rapid starts. Ignoring solids handling leads to frequent clogs. Choose pumps designed for effluent with larger clearances or peristaltic designs where the hose is the only wetted component, and create an easy service path for clearing or changing the hose. Not planning for manual dosing during power loss or failures can leave a system offline and cause backups. Include a manual dosing bypass or hand pump and label it clearly with simple operating steps. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors who work on small septic and dosing systems, and contractors can list availability to get jobs. We also host a discussion community where people share real-world tips on pump models, maintenance routines, and troubleshooting for tiny house septic systems.